Hi, Cancer. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. What are the messages for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs? My cards are really sticky. I feel there's some kind of stubbornness somewhere. Guys, I also feel that something ended probably in the recent past. You guys faced some kind of ending, but instead of making you feel low and broken, it has given you the strength to carry on with might and grit. It could be a physical death or an end of a situation. By physical death, I mean probably you lost a loved one, or if that's not your case, then probably something ended, a relationship situation, job, something like that, something that held a lot of value in your life. If that is not your story, then don't be disheartened, because there are so many other signs in your natal chart. You should check them out, the other placements. There could be a possibility that you're dealing with a Scorpio person or a Leo person. I see a lot of fire energy. Could be another Leo, a Leo, Aries, or Sagittarius person. Cancer, what I feel is that you guys are moving on from this. You've got two cards. So I'm going to take them both, and I'll take a card for this place. Wow. The card at the bottom of the deck is Four of Pentacles. I'm going to keep it right here. Cancer, what I feel is that in the recent past, you guys probably ended something with someone who you started a relationship, a connection, as it was not very well thought through, and you guys just took this leap of faith. It could be there could be a possibility that this person was immature, younger to you, or somebody who believed in taking each day as it comes, or taking everything in their stride. But when this thing ended, when this relationship ended, I feel that you guys were pushed to um, become stronger than what you are, and move on with grace. But I feel that some of you might be waiting for a communication from the same person. You could also be dealing with a Taurus person here. And I am getting a sign that you will be getting some kind of communication, but in that you won't know what to do. First few moments, few days of this communication will make you feel stuck, stagnated. It may also make you feel as if you are, um, you know, you'll feel indecisive about, probably this is the same person coming back and trying to mend things, but it may or may not be beneficial for your mental health as of now, Cancer. There is a beautiful transformation that you've been through. If this was a physical death, I'm sorry about it, but if it was the case, then that has led you to become the person you always had to be. You've become this powerful person who needs no one to make them feel better. In case this communication comes back from the past person, um, and you feel indecisive and stuck, rest assured that you won't feel that way for a very long time, because this communication could be about a reunion or second chances, or even starting afresh. So, if, yeah, as I mentioned, starting afresh, it could be an apology from this person, past person. There was a lot of mental struggle, mental and emotional and physical struggle. I'm not saying people beat each other up, but there were a lot of arguments and there was no peace. But you've got the sun card here, and I'm really happy about that, Cancer, because sometimes second chances are the best thing that we could do. Because in the past, this person, whoever you were dealing with, was very selfish. They wanted things to be their way. They wanted to have best of both worlds. Probably there was a third party situation that took place, but I'm getting a feeling that you guys will be reunited. Now, that is up to you whether you want to give this person a 100% chance or not, Cancer. But I feel somebody from your past really wants to make an effort towards you. So let's do one thing. Let's get some more extra messages. So these messages may or may not be directly related to the tarot. So take it however it resonates with you. Curiosity. Start a project related to something you're curious about, Cancer. Ask your angels. Probably meditate on it, because sometimes when we are silent, we get the loudest answers when we are the most silent. Cancer. Your dreams need a practical plan. It's time to take action. Emotions are running high. A time for healing. And one last card for this reading. Oh my god, you've got the new moon in Cancer. You and your loved ones are safe, Cancer. I hope this reading made sense to you. Thank you for watching. Bye.